The Russian BMPT Terminator tank was filmed in action in the Luhansk direction. The Russian BMPT Terminator destroys an infantry strike group of the Ukrainian Armed Forces with a BMP tank vehicle. The movement of the enemy infantry attack group was recorded by cameras. After receiving coordinates, Russian infantry troops with Terminator tank support vehicles advanced to meet the enemy, according to the video description released by the Russian Ministry of Defense. After encircling the enemy troops, artillery fire was one after another. As a result of the battle, the enemy BMP and tank were destroyed. The remaining fled. Russia uses one of its strongest combat weapons, namely the BMPT Terminator, in battles in urban areas that have occurred since the end of 2022. Urban battles are indeed a scourge for military forces, because they have to fight in the ruins of urban buildings, which are quite narrow and dense. Some military analysts argue that the Russian-derived BMPT Terminator is one of the combat vehicles designed for the battle. As for the weapon system, this combat vehicle is equipped with a pair of 30mm automatic cannons as the main armament. Then there are 4 anti-tank missile launchers mounted on the right and left sides of the turret. This vehicle is also equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun and 2 grenade launcher tubes with 30mm caliber. Although it is capable of destroying tanks with the anti-tank missiles it carries, the main scourge of this combat vehicle is the 30mm automatic cannon it carries. The 30mm caliber in the automatic cannon is of course capable of penetrating almost all conventional building walls and is capable of destroying the protection of trees in forest areas. Not to mention that using a battle tank chassis makes the protection of the BMPT Terminator vehicle also difficult to destroy.